Okay everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this Scarlet and Violet 151, opening up some packs, and then I'm going to be getting into this huge box from FedEx with a lot of WATA graded video games that I got. Hey there, and welcome to Gravy Flips. Thank you so much for joining me if this is your first time. This is a channel where we buy and resell and collect video games, furniture, and collectibles in order to help gain some extra gravy in our side hustle, or profit as some people call it. Today, I'm going to be opening up some packs from a Scarlet and Violet 151 collection that I got over the weekend, and I'm going to be unboxing about 10 graded video games that came back from WATA. In addition to that, I wanted to remind everybody that if we get to 250 subscribers by the end of the month, I'm going to be giving away this $60 to $70 Marvel vs. Capcom on the Dreamcast game to one of my viewers. All you have to do is be subscribed, hit like on the video, and comment below Sega Dreamcast, Marvel vs. Capcom, and on October 31st, you will be in the running to be one of the people that get put on the roulette wheel to see who wins this game. I'm going to be sending it out on my own dime. So thank you so much for joining me, and let's take a look at this awesome unboxing. Have a great day. Okay, so I got this Scarlet and Violet 151 because I had some credit on TCG Player from years and years ago when I used to resell Pokemon cards and more Magic card stuff. I think I got it just from like buying a lot, or it might have been a return, but I figured I would just go ahead and get one of these because A, it's good content, and B, I like the whole artwork on the stuff. So let's go to that. This is what it looks like. Boom, boom, boom. Pop it open. I have not opened Pokemon cards in a while. So we got here. Got the little U-box. Oh hey, look at that. That is really cool. You get the Mew, and you get like 16 packs. So, I'm not going to waste anybody's time. I'm just going to get right into it. Let's see what we got. Just straighten this up. Alright, I guess there's a Charizard card that people are really trying to get. I paid around $75 for this on TCG Player because of the credit, but I think in total it sells for about like $115 or so. I got some cool cards. Dun, 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 dun. Honestly, I have no idea if what I'm getting is good, so I'll check out the values later. But we got a Mr. Mime. Let's see if this $100 actually holds its weight. Man, I am rusty at this. Jeez. Alright, let's see what we got. Collectibles. I see some shiny in the back. Coughing Persian, Muck, Charmander, Icky Tongue, and a cool Chansey. Oh, cool. That's fun. There. Here's a card. Somebody wants it. But today I got a pretty cool opening. We have the FedEx box full of some graded video games that I sent out, and I've got some GameCube in there, I've got some Game Boy games in there, so it's definitely a pretty expensive little bundle. Ooh, that's cool, Ninetales. That one actually might be worth something. I mean, it's a full art, so I'm assuming it is. Unless the cards these days are just not worth very much. Try this pack. Ooh, I can see something shiny in the back. Cubone, Vulpix, Venomoth, Rapidash, Nidorina, Coughing, Seal, and an Electrode. That's pretty cool. Alright, I'm really hoping to get that Charizard that's worth like $100 so I can get my money back. I see shiny in the back. Got Diglett, Kadabra, Ivysaur, Slowbro, Cloyster, Rapidash, and Marowak. Oh, cool. Shiny energy. Here's the code. Alright, let's go to the next one. Boom, 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 boom. We got a Vaporeon. Oh, and I just dropped it on the ground. Well, there's no value there, so that would suck. Gotta watch out for this knife. Okay. Do this. Let's see what we get here. Not seeing anything shiny in the back. Ah, cool. Gold. Another gold. We haven't done anything crazy too yet so far. It's a coming. There we go. Right there. Oh, I can already see a Jolteon on the back. Hopefully it's a cool one. Ah, cool. It's a nice looking little Jolteon. Sweet. Throw that over there. Throw that there. You know what? Let's get the rest of them open. I've been patient like that. Alright. Let's see what we do here. You know what? I'll save these for another video. Okay, everybody, let's check out this. I think there's like 10 games in here. Let's check these out. See what we got for grades. Some pretty valuable stuff in here. So there's definitely well over $5,000 in value here. I'm assuming. I'll set up the camera nicely. We'll go through these. All right. Here's the back side. This looks like one of the Zelda games that I sent in. This is sealed. Alright, we got a 9.6 with an A+ seal on this Zelda Ocarina of Time Master Quest. It's definitely a good pickup. These are all games that I've run into over the years. I've bought a lot of collections. I've done over 40,000 transactions online. And here is a Paper Mario The Thousand Year Door, which they just announced they're going to be redoing. This game is sealed. It's got an A+ seal and a 9.4. Heck yeah. Dude, by far one of my favorite games. Okay. And here, we have another GameCube game. This is a Twilight Princess. Let's see how it did. We got an A+ seal and a 9.6. Heck yeah. Look at that. Yes. Is it good? Alright. And I'll come over here. And this is another one, actually. This is another Paper Mario. Let's see how this one did. This one got a 9.6 with an A+ seal. Heck yeah. Dude, we're on fire right now. This one here, it's another Zelda. This is a, what's this? Oh yeah, the collector's edition. Got an A+ seal and I got a 9. I'll take it. This is actually one of the first GameCube games that I ever played. There's that 4-part disc edition. Alright, here we go. And And here, this is the Game Boy, looks like Game Boy Color game. This one I got in a storage unit years ago that I'm going to tell that story of how I got around $30,000 in video game stuff that I sold. Once we get up to about like 10,000 subscribers. This one got a 9.6. It's a Game Boy Color, Harry Potter. This thing's only going to skyrocket in value over the next few years. The economy is only a little rough right now, but it's not going to be going down in value. And then here we have another Zelda game. This is probably my favorite Zelda game. Zelda the Wind Waker, sealed with an A+ seal. It got a 9.4. It's a great little find. And I actually happen to have another one. Whenever you buy collections and stuff, I always recommend that people keep the sealed stuff unless you're motivated to get a YouTube community where you just give them away. Because I've kept all the sealed stuff that I found, and I still have a bunch more sealed stuff that I've got to send in. Maybe I'll make a video on that. I've got some pretty cool Wii U stuff that is sealed. I bought like a $15,000 collection from a guy. This is Wii U Breath of the Wild. It's not the Era Edition that has 7 things right there, but I really do think this game's going to go up in value over time. I think I have a second one. Yep. Here's the second one on the back. Is this one Era? Nope, it's not an Era one. It's a 9.6. I had 2 of these Japanese, but I got them from the same guy in New York, but I decided to send just the English ones I had, and I just sold the Japanese ones as is. And last but not least, this is another game that I got in that huge storage unit that I sold for like $30,000. I kept it thinking that Kobe Bryant was going to be worth something, and he just happened to pass away a couple years ago. Or was it 3 years ago or 2 years ago? I can't remember. And so I've seen this game sealed sell for like $500 to $700, but there aren't many out there. It's an A+ seal. This is like the only sports investment that I'm actually going to keep. So I don't know. I think it's a pretty cool find. So that's that for this video. Some pretty cool stuff, huh? Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.